Hi guys, so today we are doing another I tried to follow blank insert model's name here tutorial. Today we're doing Hailey Baldwin. So Hailey starts off with some glow drops for her California Glow. I'm going in with the Fresh Face Instant Glow Illuminizer. I didn't own any glow drops, so we're going with this. Pat all over. I am freshly faced and moisturized too, by the way. Let's hope this doesn't give me like a white cast though. We'll see. Okay, next she goes in with some concealer, but she uses her fingers for this one. She doesn't use a sponge or anything, but she added some under the eyes like this. She added some on her forehead. I'm also gonna add a little extra concealer over here because my dog scratched me. And I'm going to do a little around my nose because I get some redness there that I want to hide. She uses her fingers. I never use my fingers for my makeup, ever. So I used to all the time, but now I like use a sponge, I use a brush. I feel like it's making it look a little more natural though, like it's blending out really nicely. I think the heat of your fingers and everything is doing a great job. Like this looks really natural actually. Okay, so next she goes in with some contour, some bronzer. So I am going to do the same. I just have this dirty palette. This is from Bare Minerals. This is their contour palette. I'm gonna go in with the middle shade. It's the lightest brown and I'm gonna try to add some contour to my face. She doesn't use foundation, which I use foundation every day. And I'm not used to putting powder on without having something for it to like really stick to, like a foundation. So this is different for me, but it's fun. I'm actually liking it. It definitely looks more natural, which I love. Something I'm noticing too is that models all pretty much do more of a natural look for the face, which I really love personally. That's more my vibe as well, so I appreciate that. Okay. She said she's really picky about her eyebrows. She's holding a spoolie and she says normally she just brushes them. So I'm just gonna brush mine too, but because she has this pencil, she didn't use it, but I have some sparse areas that I just kind of want to fill in a little bit. Not doing a full filled brow, just to fill in those little areas just so that way it looks full. But I'm not gonna go through and like do the whole thing. There we go, easy, those are nice. Just a gentle fill-in. Now she does blush. I never use blush and she's using more of a liquid blush. I don't have anything. I have this lip palette and you can see where I have like mixed colors. So I'm just gonna go in with like this lighter pink up here. Put it together in our fingers and I'm just gonna add a little color. And she also put it on her nose. Now for the glowing part, she goes in with more of a liquidy highlighter. I have this from Avon. It's like this stick, but she's using her fingers. So I'm just going to kind of rub my finger in it and then just gently dab it down. Ooh, wait, that's pretty. She also did it down her nose. You want to do a dab and not a rub so you get more of that. You want the glow and you don't want to like rub off any other liquid products. So far so cute, I like it. Okay, now next she goes in with a pressed face powder. I don't have a pressed face powder, but I do have this shade in the contour palette and she goes in just like right under the eyes and along the nose where she gets oily. So I feel like this is like the perfect powder for that. Perfect like that. Then she takes that same bronzer and she puts it on her finger and she uses it as eyeshadow. It cracks me up that she uses her fingers like this. This is so funny to me. You don't want to pull on your eye, so just be gentle. That's why I don't like to use my fingers like this, but for this one tutorial, it's okay. This next part, we're gonna do mascara. Now after mascara, she does go in with a powder highlight. So I'm using Sleek and I'm going in with this like orangey toned one. Really pretty. I'm gonna go like this. She said she wants the glow for the gods, so we're going for it. We're glowing for it. She also does it on the nose. Yay, feeling cute. Now for her lipstick, she just kind of taps her lipstick on, and since I already have this palette out here, I thought I would do the same with this, so I'm just gonna take this tone that's similar to what she has. Actually, we'll do this one. And then in the end, she used a powder SPF, which I do not have. So this will be the end of the look for me. So really quickly, so Hailey does have more plump lips. So I'm actually gonna go in with my little lip plumper, plump them up, and then reapply the lip product and see how it looks to get more of that like Hailey look. There we go, we did the little plump of the lips. I'm feeling a little more Hailey now. She has more of a pout, which I love. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you would like to see other videos like this, let me know in the comments below. If you want me to follow anybody else's makeup tutorial on Vogue, also let me know. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in the next video. Bye, guys. I'm gonna wear this natural makeup all day. Thanks, Hayes.